Good morning everyone, my name is K. Today I am studying 8th standard at KB School. I have successfully completed vocabulary building challenge in 2024. Now I am presenting subcategories and types of suffix. Suffix is anything that modification of adding any new words or sentences to a para, it forms a suffix. And suffix is further divided into 8 types. And noun suffix. Noun suffix is a suffix that modification of a noun words by adding the suffix and noun words, and they are further divided into 2 types. Denoting people, denoting abstract concepts. Denoting people, for example, cap, could. Denoting abstract concepts, for example, acting, running. Verb suffix. Verb suffix is a modification of a verb into a noun form is called verb suffix. They are further divided into 1 type. Denoting actions. For example, louding, action. Abstract suffix. Adjective suffix. Adjective suffix is a suffix that modification of an adjective words into a suffix is called adjective suffix, and they are further divided into 1 type. Denoting qualities. Denoting qualities. Wisdom and wonder. Adverb suffix. Adverb suffix is a modified word from adverb is called adverb suffix, and they are further divided into 1 type. Denoting manner. For example, happy, sad. Comparative and superlative suffix. Comparative and superlative suffix adding adjectives to a interdegree and concepts, and they are further divided into 2 types. Comparative, superlative. Comparative, for example, top. Superlative, for example, wonder. Demonstrative suffix. Demonstrative suffix is that uses to involve something and in smaller and bigger forms with help of clauses and phrases. They further divided into 1 type. Denoting smaller forms. For example, cup, could. Miscellaneous suffix. Miscellaneous suffix is divided set of phrases that do not near the using of meaning of a sentence, and they further divided into 1 type. Creating compound words. For example, post station and police station.